tomar agua, tomar el autobús, tomar el taxi, tomar el sol, tomar, deber, tomar. When do we use tomar? Interesting verb, tomar, that have a lot of meanings depending on the context, a lot of different options you have to use in Spanish with the verb tomar. And today you will know it. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Spanish with Dennis. When do we use the verb tomar? Very important verb in Spanish. Yeah, if you didn't know, tomar is drink, but it's not only to drink. Tomar have different meanings depending on the context. Tomar can be translated in English like to take, to sit, to accept, to decide. A lot of different meanings, guys. And the number one today is to take something. Tomar algo. Tomar algo. To take something. For example, toma el bolígrafo que está en la mesa. Yo tomo el libro que está en la cama. To grab also can be translated tomar algo. Remember about that. Very important. The second meaning of tomar is beber, to drink. Tomar jugo, tomar té, tomar café, tomar cerveza, tomar vino. All the drinks that you can imagine, you can use the verb tomar. Number 3 is comida. Yeah, so we are not talking about drinking the food. We are talking about eat something. We are talking about eat something like snacks or eat something. For example, tomar un bocadillo, tomar un sándwich, tomar unas tapas. Yes, you can use tomar like to eat, in fact, or to take some snacks or grab some snacks. Remember about that. Number 4 is tomar el transporte. Tomar el transporte is to take the transport. For example, tomar el autobús. Tú tomas el autobús cada día para ir al trabajo. Yo tomo el tren todos los días. Ellos toman el metro cada día. And number 5, tomar medicamento, tomar medicinas. For example, yo tomo medicamento para la gripe. So the next one is tomar en serio a alguien o algo. Like to take something or someone serious. For example, yo te tomo muy en serio. Tú eres una persona muy honesta. The next one is tomar medidas. Tomar medidas. El presidente tendrá que tomar medidas. El profesor tiene que tomar medidas drásticas con los estudiantes. Tomar el sol. Tomar el sol is the next one. Very popular option that maybe you already know if you like to go and race to different countries and take the sun. Tomar el sol, guys. Tomar el sol. Me gusta tomar el sol en la playa. Tú tomas el sol todos los días. Tomar el sol. When you are sitting there taking the sunlight, in your face, you say, yo estoy tomando el sol. The next one is tomar fotos. Tomar fotos also, to take pictures. Tomar fotos. Yo tomo fotos con mis teléfonos. A ti te gusta tomar fotos. This one is easy. And the next one is tomar una decisión. This one is very popular. Tomar una decisión is like to take a decision, to make a decision. Yes, for example, yo tengo que tomar una decisión. Tengo que hacer esto. And also we have tomar el pelo. Tomar el pelo is colloquial. Tomar el pelo is when someone is making fun of you. For example, me estás tomando el pelo, like you are making fun of me or you are mocking me. Yeah, like you are laughing, you try to make fun of me. You can say tomar el pelo. Me estás tomando el pelo. Very funny, yes. The next one is tomar notas, to take notes. Tomar notas. Tú deberías tomar notas porque estas palabras son muy útiles. And also we have tomar a pecho. Tomar a pecho is when you take something so serious, so deep. Yes, I say, no te tomes esto a pecho. Yo estoy bromeando contigo. Es una broma. Tomar a pecho is when you take something so serious. Tomar a pecho. No te lo tomes a pecho. And the next one is tomar a broma. No te lo tomes a broma. No te lo tomes a broma. Sí, yo me estoy tomando a broma todo lo que dices porque tú eres un payaso. And the next one is tomar fuerza. Tomar fuerza also can be used like el equipo de los Yankees está tomando fuerza y está ganando todos los juegos. Tomar fuerza. Like becoming stronger than it was before, or it can be about the weather, about hurricane or something like this. Got it. And also we have tomar asiento. Tomar asiento is to take a seat. To take a seat. Toma asiento, por favor. Siéntate. Señor, tome asiento. And the last one is tomar aire fresco. Tomar aire fresco, to take fresh air. Yo voy a tomar aire fresco. Me gusta caminar en el parque para tomar aire fresco. Today you know a lot of options. You know a lot of options when to use tomar, the verb tomar. You knew all of them? Yes, what we did today. Tomar algo, tomar bebidas, tomar comida, tomar transporte, medicamentos, tomar medicinas, tomar medidas, tomar el sol, tomar fotos, tomar decisiones, tomar el pelo, tomar notas, tomar a pecho, tomar a broma, tomar fuerza, tomar aire fresco o tomar asiento. A lot of options. Let me know in the comments. You knew all of them, maybe some of them, not all of them. Let me know, please. I will be very happy to see your comments. And remember that you can share this video with someone that is learning Spanish. Maybe this video can be useful for them. And like and subscribe for future content, guys. See you in the next video. And remember, tomar un descanso. This one is a plus because you stay until the end. Yo voy a tomar un descanso. Yo terminé el video. Tomaré un descanso. To take a rest, to take a break. Remember about that. Hasta la próxima. Chao. Hasta la vista.